Alright, we are here with Itigo and Jaden. And you might be wondering, what's in this box? Well, for a couple months now, I've been snagging some alarms, and you know what? I might as well do one of those kind of large unboxing videos again. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get into it. And this might be rarer than one of those small, large unboxings, not counting the one you're special. And you can see a lot of cool stuff in here. And this first one is the First Alert FCD3N. I got this used from a house. The same place that I got my baby Sears with the test socket and the older CO400 which doesn't work. The manufacturer date is 2000 July 19th. FCD3N.
Okay, making sure.
Yep, it's indeed an FCD3N, so.
If it's FCD3, then I'm going to do a different coding.
Yeah. Alright, here we go.
Yep, does the normal carbon dioxide coding, as expected.
Yeah, it does a regular coding because it was made in 2000. I think 1999 is when the Temper 4 was the main coding.
Yeah.
No dying sound. And might as well just get to this one first, since this will probably be one of the most boring in here. The i1-2060A. Now, personally, I really like these units, and these units are actually very decent for house. I actually highly recommend these, so let's go ahead and take this out. I've been meaning to unbox this for so long, so I'm glad I'm finally doing it. There we go. Got the alarm manual. The wiring harness. Mounting base, typical. And dust cover, of course. And here's the alarm itself. I'm just gonna put it on the base because why not? There we go. Oh wait, why did I do that? Because I gotta look at it. Why did I do that? I did not look at a menu date yet. Alright, it was made in 2022 November. Holy jeez!
Oh no.
James's birthday!
Yo, what? Let's see that.
Look!
Wow.
Holy crap! Oh, I gotta show this to James when he's available again. Holy crap! Alright, let's pull out the battery tab. And let's test it. It does their standard code 3, of course. It's a modern alarm, what more could you expect?
Did you hear the i1-2060A that was made on James's birthday?
This unit, this is actually an i1-2020. It's the same exact thing as the i1-2040, which I don't have yet, but this is AC only. I don't, but I decided to get the i1-2020 first, because why the hell not? Yeah, you replaced some of them. There you go. Box.
Honestly, I feel like I'm just give you the one with covered in all the paint.
Nah. And 2 manuals. Wiring harness, typical. Dust cover, and device itself. Menu date is 2008 April 12th. And yep, I was right, no battery backup. So unfortunately I don't have a cord, so I can't test this, but as soon as I get a cord I'll be able to get a video of this for you guys. Might as well finish all the boxed alarms here with this 1276.
Alright.
Get a 1276? Yep, this is an alarm I'm pretty excited for. It's actually a unit I've been wanting for quite some time.
I wonder why.
It's kind of like the predecessor to the older i1-2060. So, and it has 2 buttons, so yeah. Manual, and same exact harness again. I'm not going to bother showing. Dust cover, and actually before I took this out, I changed the battery because it was super corroded. I did not want to deal with that. So yeah. Menu date is 2005 August 24th. And since I already changed the battery on this thing, I'm just gonna pull out this battery tab right now. Oh, wait, say that again?
What 24? What was menu date again?
2005
Date, Dave?
2005 August 24th.
Oh,
Alright, now let's test. There we go. That's the Kidda 1276. Another cool unit added to my collection. Dying sound? Nope. As expected. There we go. Might as well get to the probably the most difficult one in here. The Kidda 0918, but it has a diamond grill.
oh wow.
Original design too. So let's go ahead and take this out.
On eBay, I didn't think that's cool.
Yeah, these were listed on eBay not long ago. So I was like, you know what? Might as well just snatch it.
Yeah, I saw one in $5 for like $14 or $15.
Yeah, what I'm most curious with this unit is when if it does 4.6 or code 3. That's what I'm most curious. Nah, I'm hoping for 4.6. Oh, holy! I was actually able to rip open the whole plastic. Did not mean to do that, but it works. All right. 2 batteries. Looks like they're not corroded, which is pretty darn good. Not corroded.
When's it? Menu day.
Hold on. Here's the manual. It says Kidda Safety and Lifesaver, so it might do 4.6. And the alarm packaging, which I'll get out of the way. And now here's the device itself, and the menu date, 1997. It'll do 4.6. 1997, August 11th. Let's give this a test. It flashes! It flashes!
Wait, let me see that. What?
It flashes! That is insanely cool. That is so cool. That's my first alarm that flashes like that. There we go. There we go. That's the Kidda 0918. It flashes and it does 4.6. So, yeah, I really love this. I really love this thing. This is easily one of my big favorites.
Box.
What?
What else is in the box?
All right. I might as well get to this one now because I got this at a yard sale. This thing.
You can do it. You will do literally anything to get a KNCUSMB.
Yes, I got another Kansas USB. It was only $5, so I was like, might as well just get it.
$5. And that's what your fifth of 6
Alright, let's take this out really quickly. The batteries have seen better days. Alright, mounting base, standard. And here is the alarm itself. Manufacture date is 2011 June 9th. So it's gonna pretty much act like your newer CANS USB.
13 tomorrow.
Actually, you're right. It is turning 13 tomorrow.
Push test button.
Alright, now let's give it a test, shall we?
That seems like super high pitch.
Dang, that's how bitched.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
What's cool?
It has a diamond girl and the escape light flashes.
Indigo? What was the cool thing?
He got another broken K in COSMB.
That's the
He also got an I-1 2060 made
Yeah.
on your birthday.
Yeah, it seemed. Yeah, my Ouch 68 was made on your birthday.
proof.
I sent it, scroll up.
I'll show you right now.
No. I sent it, scroll up. Whenever he does the goblin thing, he's got like no bass to it. It's just.
Alright, I got 2 more units. I might as well just finish up. Might as well just stick to the series and get to the 3rd generation COSMB.
Crash different things.
I didn't even crash anything so far.
Alright, I'm just gonna get to this 3rd generation COSMB really quickly.
Kidding me.
Gonna open this up. There we go, got access. Money base, alarm.
Can you skip this one, please? I want to see what the last one is before I have to go. I literally have to go right now.
Alright, since you have to go, I'll just show the final one with the clamshell. You unbox SA500.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, okay.
Show me the manufacturing and the other
Alright.
KN.
Alright, the manual's in here somewhere. I'll get to that later.
What's the menu date?
Alright, let me get this thing out of here. Alright, manufacture date is 2004, April 12th.
Oh, it's my birthday. Okay, why?
Alright,
Here he goes.
alright. I'm guessing this will pretty much perform the same way as my Nighthawk one, but the voice should be different.
I hope it does the same thing as the other one you just opened.
Be quiet. Alright, here we go.
Fire. Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
There we go. And yes, I was right. It basically performs the same way as my Nighthawk one, but the voice is different.
Yeah, I think the yellow version.
Oh, we have a dying sound on this one too. Interesting. Gonna get to the last one now, and that is the SA500. So, box. This one also has a really annoying clamshell. Yeah, the clamshell on this thing is annoying too. There we go. I'm pretty sure the rest I can just open by hand.
What's the menu date?
Alright. Alarm manual. And the device itself. Menu date is 2006, September 5th. So I think this one barely escaped from the recall, but I'm not too sure. Alright, let's test it. Any second now. There we go. Standard SA500 pretty much performs the same way as my other one. Alright. Is this the new one? Yes, it is. Just gonna attach it on this base. And I think that's all the alarms. Yeah. That's all the alarms. Thank you all for watching, and that'll be it.